10 budgie life hacks, easy and cheap, to make it easier for you when it comes to budgies. Number 1. The mute button. While it is adorable when your budgies are chattering, but sometimes you just wish there was an off switch to mute them, don't you? Well, what if I tell you there is? Did you know you can just turn off the lights and all the chattering will immediately stop as if they are connected to the switch? Listen to this. On, off. Although it might take some time to recreate the noise when you turn on the lights, but the turn off button works perfectly. Number 2. Spraying the floor. When you are trying to clean the cage's floor, if there is a little bit of an airflow, all the seed husks might fall off over the floor, making it double the cleaning work you initially had in mind. That's when a simple water bottle spray would come in handy. What you need to do is only spray the cage's floor before you pick it up, and all the husk will get stuck on the newspaper. That way it won't fall off on the way to the trash. It's simple, effective, and make it way easier so you don't have to clean the floor all the way from the cage to the trash. Number 3. Toothbrush Hack 1. A simple toothbrush would make your cleaning life way more efficient, easier, and effective. When it comes to cleaning our budgies' water bottles, it is so hard to clean because they are really small and your ordinary kitchen cleaning tools wouldn't even fit inside your bird's water bottle. But a simple toothbrush, it can easily go inside the bottle where your budgies drink from and helps you clean it faster than ever. And even when it comes to cleaning their seed feeders, the toothbrush comes in handy as well when you are trying to clean some seeds that are stuck inside the feeder for whatever reason. While we are still on the toothbrush, number 4. Toothbrush Hack 2. Do you know these annoying feathers that are stuck on the cage edges? They are so hard to clean whatever you try to use, from vacuum cleaner to even using your own hand to take them off. Well, with the toothbrush, they come off easily, and then you can do whatever you want with the feathers, collect them or put them in the trash. Number 5. Pen clicker. We all love to tame and bond with our budgies. We spend a lot of time and money spoiling them with toys and accessories. And when it comes to teaching them tricks, we spend a lot of money on clickers in order to tame them. Why would you go and buy a $5 or $6 clicker when you have clickers all over your house? Just take a pen and use it as a clicker. You were probably gonna throw it away when it has no ink left. Just use it as a clicker. And it is as effective as the most expensive clicker you would have bought. Number 6. Seed trap. Did you have enough from the mess your budgies are making all around their cage? Well, with just normal A4 papers, you can make a seed trap where it catches the mess inside. First, build a paper floor that covers the cage's area. Then stick them together. Afterwards, you build a wall and stick each wall side together. And finally, you raise it, add a couple of papers in the missing areas, and it becomes the needed trap. Number 7. Separating seeds from husks. How many seeds are you throwing away because they are mixed with all the husks? You can restore up to 90% if not more of the untouched seeds with simply turning on any fan you have and a simple shoebox or any box you have for that matter. Turn the fan on and put the box under the food bowl that contains the seeds and husks. Then start slowly pouring the seeds in front of the fan. All the husks will fly off, while seeds will fall right into the box. Number 8. Finding your budgie. Are you looking for your budgie all over your house and you simply can't find it? One of the most common and effective ways is to play budgie sounds, and more likely than not, your budgie will respond with their own chirping, calling back to the flock. I have a video with budgie sounds to try and play it. Hopefully it makes it easier for you to find your bird. I will keep the link in the description. Number 9. Veggie Holder. It's so frustrating when you put veggies to your budgies and they either fall off if you have a cage grid at the bottom and your budgies can't reach the veggies anymore, or simply they don't even go down to investigate and try them in the first place. Well, a simple clothespin can hold the veggies so they don't fall to places your birds can't reach, and you can actually place them where your birds spend most of their time to intrigue them to try it. Plus the fact that things on the top of the cage are most likely to be played with by your budgies than stuff you put at the bottom of the cage. And finally, number 10. Best perch. The cheapest and best perches ever are the natural ones. Find a safe tree for parrots that is non-toxic and no chemicals have been applied to it, and you can use its branches as perches for your birds. You can find a link in the description below for safe and toxic trees for parrots. Not only it doesn't cost you, but it is actually better for your budgies to have a different perches sizes and textures to them. It helps their feet to stay strong, naturally trim their nails, and they can grind their beak on them as well. Do you use any of these tricks on your birds? Or maybe you have a trick up your sleeve that hasn't been mentioned. Let us know by sharing your experience or thoughts in the comment section below. For more about budgies, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are watching this video from YouTube and hit the bell icon to get notified when the next video is up. Or like the Facebook page if you are watching this video from Facebook.